This is a pre-built version of the application. So let's go ahead and run it. And we'll have 5 peers. And this one will be the driver peer. And the other 4 will be trying to find a map coloring solution. And they will all be sending and receiving messages from each other. And this one, the driver peer, have this option to do peer-to-peer map coloring, and the other peers have those options. So this peer found the solution and communicated it to the other peers. So maybe let's try again. So now this one found a solution and sent it to everybody else. And we are running in verbose mode and using the Schengen area, countries in the Schengen area, and trying to do the coloring with 4 colors. So the other options we have is 3 colors or 5 colors, and those are the options that we can color, either the Australian states or the US states or the Schengen area states. So for example, the Australian states and US states, so each country and its neighbors. And Schengen area state, each country and its neighbors. And the source code will be available for download. Also, a longer version will be available for viewing by channel members at the senior software developer level and above.